about to get him with this one. About to kill him. Yeah. Ah, man. Yeah. It's a Star Makers production. Get it right. Yeah. Hey. I'm Goku, you're just Hercule. Budokai Tenkaichi 3, I'll murk you. I'm a mastermind like Dr. Gero. What is your power level? I bet it's close to 0. I'm undefeated, you can't beat me, nah. I'll come through blasting with that Kamehameha. You little niggas can't handle me like Nappa said. And I shine in the light like Nappa said. And with this finished buster, I will finish busters. I'm sharp like trunk sword, nigga, I'll cut ya. I'm the hottest rapper in the South. Lean back and put these Dragon Balls in your mouth. You throwing Hercule punches. Nigga, you can't harm me. I got a gang full of niggas like Frieza's army. And I'm like Nova Shinron with the heater. This is 2 of the best niggas together like Gogeta. Kamehameha.
And they're stronger than all of us.
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 On the first wish I told the dragon make me a lyricist. Second wish I told the dragon grant me eternal life. And he did with the mic, so anytime I wanna write, I could live forever through the record when I get it hype. Third wish I told the dragon bring Biggie back to life. He was gone for too long, so the dragon won't oblige when I rhyme. I can spit from A down to DBZ, build me for the task like Android 17. If you took astronomy, you couldn't see my level. I'm better than competitor, why I settle for the lesser? I'm on another level, call me Super Saiyan level 5. Last of his breed, the survivor of a genocide. Frieza was behind, and I'm cooler than his brother's name. Like I'm from another world, I'ma tell you that I'm saying. Maybe if you wanna date, hit the sun like Goku. But I gotta wrap it up, I don't wanna kid you, get it?
Kamehameha.
And they're stronger than all of us.
Kamehameha.
And they're stronger than all of us.
Kamehameha.
And they're stronger than all of us.